Welcome to PrepJoy Current Affairs. Subscribe to our channel and also visit www.prepjoy.com to learn current affairs. Topic for today's video is 27th November Current Affairs English Notes. Constitution Day or National Law Day, the 26th of November. The 26th of November is celebrated as Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas in India annually. The day is also known as National Law Day. It was on this day in 1949 that the Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly, and, thereafter, came into force on January 26, 1950, marking the beginning of India as a republic. Jal Shakti Minister launches River Cities Alliance. Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat on the 25th of November 2021 launched River Cities Alliance and National Urban River Management Plan for Kanpur. The alliance is a dedicated platform for river cities in India to ideate, discuss and exchange information for the sustainable management of urban rivers. It will focus on three broad themes: networking, capacity building, and technical support. Shreyas Iyer becomes 16th Indian to make 100 on Test debut. Shreyas Iyer on the 26th of November 21 became the 16th Indian batter to make 100 on his Test debut. He achieved the feat in the first Test against New Zealand. He scored 105 off 171 balls, striking 13 fours and a couple of sixes. He is also the third Indian to score 100 on debut against New Zealand. India elected to UNESCO World Heritage Committee for 4-year term. India has been elected to serve on the United Nations World Heritage Committee for a 4-year term from 2021 to 2025. The United Nations Committee is in charge of allocating World Heritage money and assisting governments in maintaining World Heritage sites. The World Heritage Convention is also implemented by this committee. Skyroot test fires India's first privately built cryogenic rocket engine. Skyroot Aerospace, a Hyderabad-based space technology startup, test-fired India's first privately developed fully cryogenic rocket engine on the 25th of November 2021. The rocket engine, named Dhawan-1 in honor of Indian rocket scientist Satish Dhawan, has been developed using 3D printing technology. It is fueled by liquefied natural gas and liquid oxygen, a high-performance and low-cost rocket fuel. Pakistan successfully test-fires ballistic missile Shaheen-1A. Pakistan on the 25th of November 2021 conducted a successful flight test of the Shaheen-1A surface-to-surface ballistic missile. The test flight was aimed at revalidating certain design and technical parameters of the weapon system. In March 2021, the armed forces had conducted the successful test launch of the nuclear-capable Shaheen-1A medium-range ballistic missile. IAP receives 2 Mirage 2000 fighter aircrafts from France. The Indian Air Force received 2 Mirage 2000 fighter aircraft from France at its Gwalior Air Base. The aircraft would now be upgraded to the latest standards as part of the Mirage upgrade program going on in the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The IAP had acquired around 51 Mirages in different batches and they form 3 squadrons. Praveen Sinha elected as Asian delegate to Interpol Executive Panel. India's Praveen Sinha, Special Director, Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, was elected as an Asian delegate to the Executive Committee of the International Criminal Police Organization, Interpol. Interpol is a key body for tackling rising numbers of transnational organized crimes, terrorism, and cyber crimes. It is headquartered in France. HSBC India launches recycled PVC plastic credit card. HSBC India launched India's first credit card made from recycled PVC plastic. Made from 85% recycled plastic, the new cards will help save 3.18 grams of plastic waste per card in addition to helping lower overall carbon emission. The cards have been introduced in partnership with global cards manufacturer IDEMIA and will help gradually eliminate single-use PVC plastic. India ranks 4th globally for VC investments in health tech space. India has ranked 4th globally for health tech investments by venture capitalists, VCs, since 2016. This was shown in new data from London and Partners and Dialroom.co. India is just behind the US, China and the UK. India has attracted $1.9 billion in funding from VCs in 2021 till date in the health tech sector, taking total investments by VCs in the space to $4.4 billion since 2016. Telangana and Kerala lead the capital expenditure chart of states. Telangana and Kerala lead the capital expenditure chart of states in the first half of 2021-22. While the biggest two spenders, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, are the laggards with not even spending a fifth of the budgeted amount, thereby pulling down the overall capex by states to a low 28.4% in the period. This was given in the data collated by Care Ratings. National Milk Day, the 26th of November. The National Milk Day is observed on the 26th of November every year. November 26, 2021, marks the 100th birth anniversary of Dr. Verghese Kurian, who is also known as Milkman of India for his stellar contribution in the dairy sector and setting up the Amul. The day was first celebrated in 2014. The day is celebrated under the aegis of the National Dairy Development Board, NDDB. Shri Harsh Kumar Jain appointed as the next ambassador of India to Ukraine. Shri Harsh Kumar Jain, IFS, 1993, presently Additional Secretary in the Ministry, has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Ukraine. He is expected to take up the assignment shortly. Harsh Jain also served as a member of the United Nations Group of Government Experts on Developments in Information and Telecommunications under International Security in the year 2012-13. British man given 3D printed eye first in world. A British man has become the first patient in the world to be fitted with a 3D printed eye, according to Moorfields Eye Hospital in London. Steve Virje, who is 47 and an engineer from Hackney, East London, was given the left eye first right for size earlier this month. Moorfields Eye Hospital said that the prosthetic is the first fully digital prosthetic eye created for a patient. 193 countries adopt first ever global agreement on the ethics of artificial intelligence. Audrey Azoulay, Director General of UNESCO, presented the first ever global standard on the ethics of artificial intelligence on the 25th of November 2021. It was adopted by 193 member nations of UNESCO at the General Conference. This historical text defines the common values and principles which will guide the construction of the necessary legal infrastructure to ensure the healthy development of AI. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.